Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect an AWS EC2 instance attached with Elastic IP address in a public subnet. So these are the prerequisites to connect a EC2 instance which is attached with Elastic IP address in a public subnet. So we need one Elastic IP, one internet gateway, one route table, one VPC, one public subnet, and one EC2 instance need to be launched. So this is my architecture diagram from AWS. So we are creating one VPC in the AWS account and one in the public subnet and one EC2 instance launched. And after that we need to allocate an Elastic IP and which is attached to internet gateway. So the traffic is allowed from outside of the world. It is in internet. So from my laptop or computer you need to connect the internet and you just need to connect to the internet gateway, and this traffic will allow to the Amazon EC2 instance with Elastic IP address. So let's create a VPC. So I have already created my VPC, the series of 10.80.0.0/16. So let's go to and create a second step of the public subnet for the new VPC. Choose your VPC. My VPC is VPC1. Choose your subnet, public subnet. Choose your preference. 10.80.200.0/21. This is my subnet. So it is created. So go to route table, create a route table, IP route table. Select your OPC. This is my route table. Click on the subnet associations, edit subnet associations. So this is my public subnet association ID. Click on save associations. So we have completed creating route table and associated with public subnet. So we need to create a one internet gateway and attach to the VPC. Go to the internet gateway. So I have already created an internet gateway and attached it to VPC. Attach it to my VPC. This is my VPC1. So the next step is launch an EC2 instance in public subnet and copy the address, restart the server. Go to the EC2. Launch an EC2 instance. My EIP server, Elastic IP server. Click on Amazon Linux 2, 5.10, 64-bit architecture, T2.micro. Create a key pair. I'll create a new key pair. Tarun source key pair. So you need to download this key pair. I have downloaded. So edit your network settings. Select your VPC. This is my VPC1. Choose the subnet. Let me check my subnet ending with the ID A1E. A1E is the subnet ID. This is my subnet. Auto assign public IP enabled. Create on security group. To allow SSH access. Copy paste. It should allow all traffic. GP3 for cost optimization. And that's it. So launch EC2 instance. So we have launched one EC2 instance in public subnet, and we need to copy the IP address and restart the server. Let me check the IP address of the server. So this is the public IP address 3.108.41.168. Let me copy here. So this is the server which is before the reboot. This is the IP address. Let me try to connect this machine. For that I need to generate a ppk file. Load. Where is my PEM file? Here is my PEM file. Say private key. So I have copied the ppk file. Authentication. Go to the desktop. This is my key. Okay. Go to the route tables. We have not enabled the internet gateway to the port subnet. Where is my public subnet? EIP route table. This is the one. Go to the routes. We have not enabled the route. So if it is 10.80 series, it should be go to the local. So I am enabling the open to the world with the internet gateway. So this is my internet gateway. Save changes. Copy the IP address. Try again. SSH authentication. Accept. Log into the server. EC2 user. So this is the IP address, the private IP address 10.80.200.76, which I have connected with the public IP address. This is the public IP address. Let me try to restart the server. This is the public IP of the server 3.108.41.168. So try to reboot the server. It is successfully rebooted. So it is successfully stopped. Let me restart the server. Start my instance. So restart will not help to change the IP address. So I have stopped the server. Let me check the public IP. So now it is running state. See, check the public IP before restarted, before stop state. It was 3.108.41.168. Now it was 65 dot something, 65.2.182.113. So this is where your server is rebooted with a dynamic IP. So let's go to the elastic IP and allocate an elastic IP. Give the name tag, name, elastic IP, EC2. Allocate an elastic IP. Associate elastic IP address to your EC2 instance. Copy the instance ID. This is the server running state. If you want to give the private IP address, if you can. So refresh server. If you see here, the allocated IPv4 address of the Elastic IP is 13.234.222.3. So previously the server IP address is 65.2.182.113 is the public IP. I have attached the server with a public Elastic IP address, so it was changed to 13.234, which is allocated with Elastic IP. This is where you can get the Elastic IP. Let's try to stop the server and start the server so that the IP wouldn't change. This is where Elastic IP it works. So it has been successfully stopped. Let me try to start the instance. So if you see here, my public IP Elastic IP is not changed, 13.234.222.3. This is my allocated IPv4 address of Elastic IP. So this is where the Elastic IP will works. Try to connect the public IP with the server. Authentication. Copy the key. It is still in boarding state. Accept. EC2-user. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and comment and share us the video. It will help for more videos.